Right. So I once again welcome you all to this 104th session of Leadership Talks. So as you know that these sessions are being organized by India International Education Council and School Lalaji Solutions. India International Education Council is a not-for-profit organization which is working in the field of education. It has collaborators from 12 countries. It aims to create a better world through education, building quality centers for elementary education approachable for all kids, and finding best educational practices across the globe and find ways to implement those in Indian institutions. It is also creating more awareness on hygiene and learning disabilities. It publishes a magazine called World Education Review and many other educational reports. It aims to build 100 chapters in different cities by 2022. It will soon open its membership for institutions and individuals. It also imparts training for leaders, teachers, students, and parents. So as you are aware that we have so far conducted 103 sessions, we have received 10,463 registrations, 9,209 questions on national education policy. We have seen participation from 5 countries: India, USA, Qatar, Saudi Arabia, and Nepal. From India, we have seen participation from 20 states and 83 cities. We aim to organize 200 sessions. With this, we would be reaching out to 100,000 educators, 20,000 institutions, and 1,000 plus eminent speakers would be joining us to share their perspective, on national education policy as today's speakers. So now, with this, I would request please join me in welcoming our key speakers for this very special 104th session of Leadership Talks. Our first key speaker, very senior education leader, Neena Mathurji. Neena ma'am is currently principal with Army Public School, Lucknow. She is an alumni of Law Mauritanian Girls College, Lucknow, and Loreto Convent, Lucknow. She has 28 years of experience. She has also worked with a very prestigious school, Vasant Valley School, Delhi, as principal. She is also the alumni of George Washington, USA. She is the proud recipient of Chief of Army Staff Commendation Letter. She has also received a very prestigious award from Chief Minister of UP for her contribution to the field of education. We welcome you, Neena ma'am. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you.
Thank you so much. Thank you.
Welcome, ma'am. Our next key speaker, another very senior education leader, Divjot Kaur ma'am. Divjot ma'am is principal with the GD Joint India Public School, Jhajjar, Haryana. She's an alumni of Lady Shri Ram College, Delhi University. She has done masters in English and education from DAV College. She began her career as a teacher of English in Oak Grove School, Missouri. She has added multiple prestigious schools like Jam Public School, Mount Litera Z School. She has 22 years of experience in the field of education, primarily as a head of school. She has been the founder principal of 3 schools. She has awarded with very prestigious awards like a Principal of Merit. She has been involved with British Council in Action Research. She has attended national and international conferences and mentored teachers under her care. She has fruitfully taken her school children for robotics to Saitama University, Japan, and Kennedy Space Center, Orlando, USA. We welcome you, Divjot ma'am. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. Our next key speaker, Anita Goyal ma'am. Anita ma'am is principal with Durga Prasad Vidya Niketan, Kanpur, Uttar Pradesh. She has decades of experience in education. She has been awarded and recognized for her contribution to the field of education many times. We welcome you, Anita ma'am. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. Our next key speaker, Ms. Karishma Sahami ji. Karishma ji is a director with Benhur Public School, Pilibhit, Uttar Pradesh. She's a passionate educator. She is an expert child psychologist and a career counselor. We welcome you, Karishma ji. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. Our next key speaker, Dr. N.K. Sharma ji. Dr. Sharma is HOD with SRM University, Haryana. He has worked with the Railway Wagon Factories, Indian Engineering Services, Maruti Suzuki India Limited for 31 years. He has total experience of almost 4 decades in industry and 6 years in academics. He has visited Japan 5 times and also acquired training and learned Japanese language at AOTS, the Association of Overseas Technical Scholarship. He has visited General Motors, plant in North America a couple of times. So we welcome you, Sharma sir. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. Our next key speaker, Jaswinder Singh ji. Jaswinder sir is the founder and CEO of Wordsworth ELT. Jaswinder Singh has an experience of 30 years education and technology and has also served as a consultant to UNESCO on education. Wordsworth English Lab is designed for India and is a highly research initiative of ACT UNIF Group, a trusted education company with 2 decades of service in technology, education, and training. Its expertise in technology, multimedia, and content development has been instrumental in presenting a world-class language lab solution for academia in India. In a short span of time, Wordsworth English Language Lab has managed considerable recognition across the country for its unique content and methodology. Over 3,000 installations in institutions across the country stand testimony of the quality in product, implementation, training, and continual service provided by ACT UNIF and its committed network of dealers. We welcome you, Jaswinder Singh sir. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you.
Thank you, Rajulji. Thank you so much.
And your presence becomes more special, after the fact that you have your birthday today.
Oh, thank
So,
you.
Thank you
Thank you.
for spending these valuable minutes on this special day with us. Thank you. Our next key speaker, Mr. Savio John. Savio is National Head of Quality with Torrens. He's a professional musician, specifically a singer, songwriter, and guitarist. He has been performing, since a very young age and has toured multiple cities performing in various venues. He is also a gospel musician and has featured on multiple TV shows. He is currently working with Torrens Music and heading quality and delivery excellence in India. Since the past 8 years, he has been working with institutions engaged in vocational education, handling business development, strategy, and implementation. Savio has always been vocal about making music a compulsory subject in schools, as the creativity, discipline, and communication that it demands would help students become better individuals. Savio has also authored the vocal curriculum for Torrens and conducts vocal workshops across various schools. So we welcome you, Savio. Thank you for joining. It's an honor to have you. So with this, I'll open the session, for our key speakers. I'll come to you one by one for your first opening remark, then for your main talk. I believe you all have received the flow for the session. All these speakers will get 1 minute for the opening remark and maximum 10 minutes for the main talk. So, we have also received many questions. I would like to present these questions to you all in the end of the session. So first, I would request Neena ma'am, if we may begin with you, can we have your opening remark?
Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to interact with learned participants and inquire and insight into myriad topics. My topic for today is inclusion. This is a very wide topic, and in my school, I would cover it over a period of 15 workshops. But today, I would touch upon or give an overview of inclusion. Thank you.
Thank you, Neena ma'am. We all are very excited to hear your perspective and ideas on this very important topic. Thank you, ma'am, for joining. Now, I would request Divjot Kaur ma'am. Divjot ma'am, if we can have your opening remark. You are on mute, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Good afternoon, everyone. Am I audible now?
Yes, you're audible, ma'am.
Okay, good afternoon. Thank you, everyone on the team of India International Education Council for inviting me. My topic for discussion today is 21st century education, expectations, challenges, and solutions. A very hot burning topic for everyone, talks of 21st century education. So as we proceed in the webinar, let us see how we explore this so very talked of term.
Thank you. Thank you.